Hello and welcome to this episode of In Discussion With from Medical Update Online. Today I'm talking to Professor Roger Knaggs about his work in pain and his role as the incoming president of the British Pain Society. So please, could you start by introducing yourself?
I am Roger Knaggs. I am a clinical academic pharmacist from Nottingham.
Now, can you give us a brief overview of your role, what your current job involves?
So my job has several different components. Predominantly, I am an academic, so I'm involved in teaching and research within the School of Pharmacy at the University of Nottingham. However, I also still work clinically with a community-based pain service 1 day a week.
First, can you tell us a bit about how you got started in pain management and how your role developed?
The first interaction with pain, shall I say, was actually when I came to Nottingham as a PhD student, because unbeknownst to me at the time, the area of my research was actually relating to morphine metabolism and pharmacokinetics. And then rather serendipitously, I moved into a specialist pharmacist role at what was then Queen's Medical Centre and is now part of Nottingham University Hospital's NHS Trust. And I was the specialist pharmacist for anaesthetics and pain. And so, and that is really where my clinical interest and where my current job developed from. As part of that, I was the directorate pharmacist responsible for anaesthetics and pain. And initially, the work was largely in acute pain. However, over a period of years, that developed and I had much more involvement in chronic pain. And after several years of doing clinics together with some of our nursing colleagues, started to develop my own clinics to look at optimising medicines for pain.
Well, why is pain an important issue?
There are a range of reasons why all pharmacists should be interested in pain. First of all, it is such a common experience. So every pharmacist is going to see people who may experience pain, and it is associated with many different diseases and illnesses. In terms of chronic pain, the reason why pharmacists should be interested is there has been an increasing amount of evidence to actually say that medicines only work for a relatively small proportion of people. And so perhaps the emphasis should be now much more around optimizing medicines and people only continuing to take them over longer periods of time if they actually make some significant difference to reducing their pain and allowing them to be able to do more.